What's up guys, Kyle here. Today we're going to be installing my 2019 Toyota Tundra. We're going to be installing some spacer kit on there, 2.5 inch level kit. I got these guys from extremeterrain.com. Just going to show you how they look before and after. I'm not going to do a full install video, but I'm just going to basically show what they look like before and after and just the slight differences in what the leveling kit can do. Hopefully this install goes pretty smooth. I'll let you know how things go. I might have a couple of videos and clips just kind of throughout the video, but it's really just going to be more just showing you the kind of the before and after. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys like the video. So this is it. This is the spacer kit from extremeterrain.com, 2.5 inch level, 3 inches of full level from all my research for the Tundras, but I don't, as much as I looked, I did buy the 3. I actually went back and ended up getting the 2.5 instead, because I don't mind a 1/2 inch of rake, just because once in a while if I do haul something, I don't want it to be sagging too much. So anyway, this is the kit right here, super simple. I think I got these on sale for like 65 bucks, and normally they're like 100 or something. But billet aluminum, they're coated, so that hopefully it should prevent from rust and wear, all that kind of stuff. But anyway, this is what they are. Let's see how it goes. So we're about 36 1/4 on the front driver's side. We're about 36 1/2 on the passenger side right there. All right, this is the before right now. You can tell it's squatting just a little bit there. All right. Right there, this is the stock height, and let's see what it looks like once we're done. All right, so I just finished up the install. Came out well, but now I gotta do something else. I gotta get new tires. So we're actually gonna go get some new tires right now, and I'll show you guys how that goes through. But I'm trying to decide between the KO2s or the Cooper. I'm not sure right now. Gas mileage is a big one for me with the Tundra. I do a lot of driving here in Texas for work, so we'll see. I'm still trying to figure that one out, but let's go get some new tires. All right, here it is after 2.5 inch level with some new tires, 275/70/18 Coopers, and man, it looks so much meaner, so much better. So I'm pretty happy with how everything turned out. Here. So that's it now that it's installed. It actually looks taller than I thought it would be, to be honest. I thought the 3 would be too much, but the 2.5 looks almost the same. Like, it's hard to even tell the difference.